Okay, guys, I'll trail.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
We're gonna do one student at a time. Is that what I'm hearing?
You can do it.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah. No, we won't go all the way out here.
Yes, yes, thank you. All right. Hello, hello. Come on in.
Come on in. Come on in.
All right.
Thank you for having us. I really appreciate it. It's up to you guys to do the appointments together or do here and then next door. Sounds good. Sounds good. Then we'll do it 2 times. Very, very exciting. We're gonna get your poster.
We are.
And
Here's
we're
this
going
one.
to come over here. We're going.
Is this
to...
the right poster, or did you do them both?
No, one's sisters. There you go. You gotta hold your poster. Everyone
Yeah, we got
can
all
get a
kinds
little
of
bit
fun
close.
stuff here.
They want to make sure they get everybody.
Okay.
All right.
So.
We went inside.
No. Here's your check. There you go.
No, you hold that. I'll hold that.
Rashika, they're gonna go over there next, honey. Rashika?
I was here. My Miss Braden told me to come here.
I know,
Yeah,
tell
that's
her
fine.
they're
That's
gonna-
okay. She'll go with us.
Let's say she's here. We can do them here too.
Yeah, we're here. We're good.
All right. Rashika, you can stay. You can stay.
Just stay
I
right there, not
know.
in this picture, honey. Rashika, go over there for now. They're gonna do you in a minute.
You're gonna hold your poster, Rashika.
Okay.
All right, we good?
Congratulations.
Great job.
And all right. Go on in.
No more double directions, Rashika.
Got it.
Okay, do we wanna go get in the picture with Rashika also?
Yeah.
Got our winner's hair. Thumb. I haven't seen a camera in so long.
Wonderful. Congratulations.
Here's the text for the parents, right? And then we
You
have.
hand me money.
No, we're gonna hand you a lot. Okay.
Special
So
day.
Marissa.
That's
Okay, so for championing this whole program, and this is for the school.
okay.
So,
I'm just gonna keep holding it up for pictures. Is that okay?
yeah, Matt, you want to hop in there for those two?
Thank you.
And can I have my picture with you guys?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's hard for us
Just
to
because
say
we're giving
no.
you money.
Yeah, right,
I'm
yeah.
not gonna say no with this envelope.
VIP.
Cool.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, one more round of applause.
You want both? Yep.
So if you guys just want a few stats, there was 450 elementary posters submitted.